In this video, we're going to learn how to solve linear inequalities into variables, non-linear inequalities into variables, and system of inequalities into variables. Okay, example 1. We're going to write inequality for this shaded region. As you can see, there is a dotted line and all the shade is above the dotted line. First we're going to write the equation of this line. So we'll pick 2 points on this line and preferably one point on x-axis, the other point on y-axis. So the point on x-axis looks like it's 2, 0, and the point on y-axis is 0, 3. So, and then we're going to find the slope. Now this one using this formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we'll substitute y1 equal to 0 and y2 equals to 3. So it becomes 3 minus 0. Then we substitute x2 equals 0, x1 is equal to 2. So you get 0 minus 2. Now we simplify, this will be 3 over negative 2, which will become negative 3 over 2. Now we use the formula equation of line, y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1, and we substitute we have equation of line point slope form. So y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So we'll substitute slope we just found, minus 3/2. And one of the points, we can pick this point, and here y1 is 0 and x1 is 2. So we substitute this one and we have equation y minus 0 equal to 3/2 times x minus 2. So now we distribute 3/2 into x minus 2. So this becomes 3 over 2 times x minus 2 times 3 over 2. And y minus 0 becomes y. So we simplify, so 2 cancel with 2, and you have our desired equation y is equal to 3/2 times x minus 3. Now we're going to decide the inequality which represents this shaded region. So either it's y is less than 3/2 x minus 3, or its y is what? Bigger than 3/2 times x minus 3. Now you notice I didn't use the equal sign because the line is dotted. If this line was solid, then I could have used y less than equal to or y greater than equal to. So we're going to pick a point in the shaded region. Let's say I think 0, 0 would be good enough. So we'll test this point in this inequality. So we'll substitute x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 in this inequality. So this inequality becomes 0 less than 3 over 2 times 0 minus 3. If you simplify, you get 0 less than minus 3. Now we check, is it true that 0 less than minus 3? No, looks like it's false because negative numbers are smaller, not larger. So therefore, our desired inequality is not this one, but the other inequality, y greater than 3 over 2 times x minus 3. So the answer is, for the shaded region is represented by y greater than 3 over 2 x minus 3. Okay, so example 2, we have a circle which is dotted, and inside the circle is shaded, and this circle has the origin at 0, and we're going to write an inequality that represents this shaded region. So first thing we have to do, identify the center. So it's a 0, 0, and then look for the radius, and radius looks like a 2. So we're going to write the equation of circle first, and we're going to use the standard form of equation of circle, which is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals to r squared. So now I substitute h equal to 0 and k equal to 0 and r is 2. So remember, this is first coordinate is h and the second coordinate is k. Okay, so this equation becomes x minus 0 squared plus y minus 0 squared equals to 2 squared equals to 4. So now we simplify to become x squared plus y squared equals to 4. So now we have to decide the inequality. Well, as you can see, the circle is dotted, so therefore the inequality is either x squared plus y squared less than 4, or it should be what x squared plus y squared bigger than 4. So to decide, we're going to test a point from inside the circle, which is shaded. So let's see, we can pick a point 0, 0. So we'll test this point 0, 0 on this inequality x squared plus y squared less than 4. So where x is equal to 0, where y is equal to 0, so it becomes 0 squared plus 0 squared less than 4, 0 plus 0 less than 4, 0 less than 4, which is true. So therefore, the inequality we have chosen is the right one. So the answer is x squared plus y squared less than 4. Example 3. So now we have a parabola, and inside the parabola is shaded. So we're going to write inequality that represents parabola and the shaded region. So we first look at the vertex, and the vertex is this one, and its coordinates are 0, 4. So h is 0 and k is 4. Now to write the equation of this parabola, we're going to use this equation, y equals to a times x minus h squared plus k. So I substitute h equals 0 and k equals to what? 4. So this becomes y equals to a times x minus 0 squared plus 4. We simplify and becomes ax squared plus 4. Now since the parabola open downwards, we can use a equal to minus 1. So the quadratic function becomes y equals to minus x squared plus 4. Now we have to decide whether the inequality is y less than or equal to minus x squared plus 4, or y is bigger than or equal to minus x squared plus 4. So to decide that one, we pick a point inside the shaded region. I think again we can pick 0, 0. It's very, very convenient point to use as a test point. Okay, so we are testing 0, 0 on the inequality. So we substitute x 0, y 0 in this inequality. Y less than or equal to minus x squared plus 4. So this becomes 0 less than or equal to minus 0 squared plus 4. So simplifying it is 0 less than or equal to 4, which is true. So therefore, our desired inequality is the one we selected, y less than or equal to minus x squared plus 4. So example 4, we're going to sketch the graph of solution set of the system of inequalities x plus 2y less than or equal to 4, x minus y less than or equal to 1, y greater than or equal to 0. To graph this one, we're going to use geogebra.org, and this is a free website, and let's see what we can do. So we'll go here, and so if you go to geogebra.org and click on Start Calculator, and then type it, so you will open this page, and then you type your inequality here. Very, very easy to type. The way you want it, it will automatically fix it. And so first inequality here, second here, and the third one. And you will get right away this graph. And now we want the solution set, not this one. So what do you do? Click on the circles. So it will clear those circles, and it will clear the screen, and then you will so okay, after you clear these circles, then in the fourth row you will type a ampersand b ampersand c, and you will get the stuff quickly. And that's your answer.